In this video, we will explore the best practices for minimizing Docker image sizes. We will delve into simple yet effective techniques to keep your Docker images lean and efficient. Image size is a crucial aspect of containerization. Smaller images lead to faster deployment times, improving the overall user experience. Additionally, reduced storage and bandwidth consumption translate into significant cost savings on infrastructure and registry fees. Selecting the right base image is the first step to reducing image size. Instead of using a full Ubuntu distribution, consider a minimal Alpine Linux distribution. For example, Python 3.11 Alpine, which provides only the necessary Python runtime environment. This significantly reduces the image footprint. Multi-stage builds allow you to separate the build environment from the runtime environment. In the first stage, you compile your application using a larger image with all the necessary tools. Then, in the second stage, you copy only the required artifacts to a smaller image, excluding build tools and dependencies from the final image. This results in a much smaller final image size. Each instruction in a Dockerfile creates a new layer, increasing the image size. Combining multiple commands into a single run instruction reduces the number of layers. Additionally, using a dockerignore file to exclude unnecessary files and directories from the build context prevents them from being included in the image. Package managers and their associated caches can add unnecessary bloat to your image. After installing packages, remove the package manager's cache to reduce the image size. Use the no cache $$ flag while installing dependencies using pip. Then remove the pip cache directory. Always use specific version tags instead of the latest tag for your base images to ensure predictability and avoid unexpected changes. Distroless images provide a minimal base with only the runtime dependencies, further reducing the image size and enhancing security. In summary, following these best practices like using lightweight base images, implementing multi-stage builds, minimizing layers and cache, using a dockerignore files and choosing specific version tags, can lead to significant size reductions, often ranging from 50 to 90%. This results in faster deployments and lower infrastructure costs. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.